This book, Tidings of Troubled Times, is really dedicated to the last liberals left standing in the world.
Manish Tiwari has put together his views on a wide range of subjects. When this book came into my hands, this was the first thing that I noticed. He has covered a very wide range of subjects, which shows the spread of his interest, the expertise that he has on all these various issues. Democracy, my dear friends, is not merely numbers. It is consensus. The soul of democracy, according to me, is consensus. So even if you have the numbers, you have to reach out to other people in politics and try and take them along.
Liberalism is a question of degrees. And so therefore, if the degrees start extending to actually killing and lynching people because of the culinary choices that they have, if it extends to actually policing what kind of clothes a person can wear, if it actually extends to possibly transgressing into people's kitchens and bedrooms, I think the time comes to call it a stop. And when you talk about living dangerously, this is my personal belief, that the unanimous verdict that we saw on privacy come out of the Supreme Court of India possibly may not have come had it not been for the times that we were living in.
ये जो एक मोमेंट है जिसपे एक ही मंच पर यशवंत जी बीजेपी के, आप आम आदमी पार्टी के, मनीष कांग्रेस के एक साथ बैठे हैं, इसमें एक तरह से एक राजनीतिक सिंबलिज्म देखा जाएगा कि किसी तरह का चर्न ऑन है।
मुझे लगता है चर्निंग की स्टेज पे नहीं हो रही है, चर्निंग देश भर में हो रही है, चर्निंग गली गली के अंदर हो रही है। जो जनता दुखी है, जनता के जो जॉब्स जा रहे हैं, धंधे बंद हो रहे हैं, धंधों में मंदी आ रही है, इनकम टैक्स की रेड हो रही है, ईडी की रेड हो रही है, जनता डरी हुई है, चारों तरफ जहर घोला जा रहा है, चर्निंग देश के अंदर हो रही है। हम लोग बहुत छोटे हैं, इस तरह का कभी माहौल देखने को नहीं मिला। ज़्यादा दिक्कत की बात यह है कि लोगों को आगे कोई और उम्मीद की किरण नज़र नहीं आ रही कि ये कैसे ठीक होगा, कब ठीक होगा।
We have to maintain some of the greatest traditions of parliamentary democracy which have been established in our country by our forebears. There are programs called Startup India, Stand Up India, Sit Down India, I don't know how many India, but here, if we are needed to stand up for those values of democracy, my appeal to all citizens is, let us stand up and face it with courage.
Yeah, to thank all the people who've come out in such large numbers. My gratitude profound to Mr. Yashwant Sinha, and he's absolutely correct that this event was planned much before certain developments took place. My thanks to the Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The book is in itself a political statement, yes, because it just tells the tale of the last 12 months. Not only events that unfolded in India, but events that unfolded across the world.